Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on Saturday asked the opposition parties in the country to unite and claimed that the unity of the opposition would reduce BJP to just 50 seats in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Kumar mounted an all-out attack on the BJP and said that the Saffron Party can be sent packing with just 50 seats by a united opposition. Kumar was addressing a meeting of his party JDU's national executive in Patna when he made the claim. If all opposition parties fight together, the BJP will be bundled out for about 50 seats. I am devoting myself to that drive, he said. Kumar, who broke ties with the BJP last month in a surprising turn of events in Bihar, claimed that his only goal is to work for uniting the opposition to unseat the Saffron Party from power, amid a buzz within his JDU that he may emerge as the prime ministerial face. The JDU leader's statement comes ahead of his two-day trip to Delhi on September 5th, during which he will meet political leaders from across party lines in a bid to forge opposition unity. The JDU also accused the ruling BJP of having authoritarian tendencies and destabilizing the non-BJP governments in several states, including Delhi and Jharkhand, besides Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra earlier. The all-out attack by Nitish Kumar on the BJP came as 4 of its 5 MLAs left his party and joined the BJP in Manipur. The Chief Minister said that the Saffron Party may try to disturb the social and communal harmony in Bihar. We must foil their designs by keeping vigil to the level of panchayats, he said. On August 9th, the Janata Dal United broke ties with the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance. A day later, Janata Dal Chief Kumar took oath as the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 8th time with the support from the Rashtriya Janata Dal and 6 other parties of the Grand Alliance. After the Grand Alliance formed the government in Bihar, some media reports suggested that the Janata Dal United chief would be the face of the opposition in the Lok Sabha elections. However, Kumar said on August 12th that he had no aspirations of becoming the opposition's prime ministerial candidate.